binomial theorem. Continue. Find A if 17th and note down the question. 17th and 18th terms of 2 plus a whole raised to 50 are equal. We have to find A. 17th and 18th terms of 2 plus a whole raised to 50. As it is 2 plus a whole raised to 50, there will be 51 terms. Of that 51 terms, they are telling 17th and 18th terms are equal. In that case, we have to find A. So, first we will not write all the 51 terms. Just what the terms needed only we can write. Okay, so for that, remember the general formula, the r plus 1th term. What is r plus 1th term? This is the r plus 1th term. R plus 1th term, PR plus 1 is what? NCR, A raised to n minus r, B raised to r. This is the formula. So, by using this, let us write what is 17th term. What is T17? T17 means R we have to substitute. R we have to substitute 16. And what is N? This is A plus B whole raised to N. So, N is given here 15. What is A? The first term 2. What is B? The second term A. Substitute that. So, N is 15. C. R is what? 16. A is what? 2. 2 raised to n minus r means 50 minus 16. Then B. What is B? A. A raised to r. What is r? 16. Or it is, you can simplify, 50 C 16. 2 raised to 50 minus 16 is 34. A raised to 16. Now T18, 18th term. T18 means we have to put R equal to 17. That is the only difference. So what is it? It is equal to 50 C 17. 2 raised to 50 minus 17. 50 minus 17 is 33. B raised, not instead of B we have to put A. A raised to what? Here B is A, that's right. A raised to 17. So we have written 17th term and 18th term. They are telling it is equal. So you equate and solve it. A. That is the method. So let us equate T18 equal to T17 or 50 C 17 2 raised to 33 A raised to 17 equal to 50 C 16 2 raised to 34 A raised to 16. 2 raised to 34 and 2 raised to 33. So 2 raised to 33 is common. We can cancel. A raised to 17 and A raised to 16. So A raised to 16 is common. Cancel it. So we will get 50 C 17 A is equal to 50 C 16 into 2. Here asked to find A. So what is A? A is equal to 50 C 16 by 50 C 17 into 2. 50 C 16 means 50 factorial by 16 factorial into 50 minus 16 is 34 factorial divided by 50 factorial by 17 factorial into 33 factorial into 2. So this 50 factorial will get cancelled. 16 factorial and 17 factorial, cancelling 16 factorial, we will get this 17 and this will 17 go up. So it is 17 by 34 factorial, 33 factorial. So 34 will come. 17 by 34 into 2. So it is 34 by 34. It is equal to 1. Therefore, we got the answer. What is the answer? A is equal to 1. Find the coefficient of x raised to 6 by cube. X raised to 6 by cube. X raised to 6 by cube. In the expansion of x plus 2y whole raised to 9. X plus 2y whole raised to 9. So when we write this expansion, we will get 10 terms. Of that 10 term, one term is x raised to 6 by cube. What is the term's coefficient? We know which is this term. If we know which is this term, we can write the coefficient. So if we don't know which is that term, we will take it as general term. So let us take PR plus 1, the general term. PR plus 1 is what? NCR. What is the formula? A raised to n minus r, b raised to r. Substitute. N is 9, C R we don't know. Which term? R plus 1 term. So we don't know. A is what? X raised to n minus r means what? 9 minus r. B is what? 2y raised to r. This is general term. This general term has the term x raised to 6 y raised to 2. Okay, so this is the term with the x raised to 6 by cube. So let us equate the power of x and the power of y. We will get this. So when we equate the power of x, what we will get? 9 minus r is the power of x. What is there? It is 6. So we will get r equal to 3. Again, if you put the y, that also 3. So we got the value r equal to 3. Now find the term and write the coefficient. What is the term? It is equal to 9c3 x raised to 9 minus 3 of 6 to y raised to what is r? R is 3. Coefficient only asked. So coefficient is what? 9c3 will come, and from here this 2 cube will come. Don't forget to write that 2 cube. So 9c3 into 2 cube. This is 9. 9c3 into 2 cube. Find the value. That is 9c3. 9 factorial by 3 factorial, 6 factorial. 2 cube is 8. 6 factorial will get cancelled. So 7 into 8 into 9 by 3 factorial is 2 into 3 into 8. 670. Answer is 670. Second, third, and fourth. Second, third, and fourth terms. The second, third, and fourth terms of the binomial expansion. X plus a whole raised to n. X plus a whole raised to n. R 240, 720, 1080. Find x, a, n. We have to find x, a, and b. All the three we have to find. So this is the second term. Second term, then third and fourth term. So second term, second term is r plus 1th term. R plus 1th term. R plus 1 is 2. So r we got r plus 1 is equal to, just write the formula first, NCR, a raised to n minus r, b raised to r. This is the second term. Second term means r is 1. R is 1. Substitute. N C 1 A is x. X raised to n minus r, n minus 1. B is a raised to r. What is r? 1. LCM is n. So we get n. X raised to n minus 1. Then a. This is second term. Now third term. Third term means r equal to 2. So it is NC2 x raised to n minus 2 then a square. This is given as 240. This is equal to NC2 means n into n factorial by 2 factorial by n minus 2 factor. And n minus 2 factorial will be able to cancel. So what will remain? N into n minus 1 by 1 into 2. N into n minus 1 by 1 into 2. X raised to n minus 2 a squared equal to 720. Now the fourth term means r is 3. So NC3 x raised to n minus 3 a raised to 3 is equal to NC3 n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 1 into 2 into 3 x raised to n minus 3 a cube is equal to 1000. These are the three equations given. From this we have to get the x, a and these terms are given. You have to divide, then you will get the answer. First one divided by second. So what will you get? N x raised to n minus 1 a divided by n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2 x raised to n minus 2 x squared. So when we divide, then we will get cancelled. Isn't it? X raised to n minus 1 means 1x here. Later. So numerator x will come. Denominator a will come. And this 1 into 2 will go up. So it is 2x. Then here 1 n minus 1 will come. It is given as 720 by 2. Divide first one by second. So 240 by 7. 240 by 7. It is 1 by 2. 24 3 times 7. So we got one equation. These two we can take. We got one equation x by a into n minus 1 is equal to 1 by 6. Then divide second by third. When we divide second by third, what we will get? N into n minus 1 by 1 into 2 x raised to n minus 2 a squared divided by n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 1 into 2 into 3 x raised to n minus 3 a. So when you simplify, n into n minus 1 will go 1 into 2 will go, n minus 2 will remain here, 3 will go up. So 3 by n minus 2, and in x, 1x will go here, and 1a down by a is equal to 720 by 1080. 720 by 1080. So here 12 go 6 times 12 into 9 times. Again we will go. So when we do 720 by 1080, it is 2 by 2. 2 by 2. When we divide this equation by this equation, x and a will get cancelled. Isn't it? Only n will remain. So we will get n. So divide. So that we divide, this will go in the numerator. So n minus 2 by n minus 1. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. I am dividing 1 by 2. So n minus 2 will go up, n minus 1 down. This one I can write as 2 by 9. This 3 replacing here, it is 2 by 9. So x cancel, a cancel, n minus 2 will go up, n minus 1 will remain here, and 1 by 6 by 2 by 9. 1 by 6 by 2 by 9. So it is 9 by 12. Again 3 will go, so 3 by 2. So it is 3 by 4. Now cross multiply. So 4n minus 8 equal to 3n minus 3. 4n minus 3n n equal to minus 3 plus 8. So it is 5. So we got the answer, n equal to 5. When you get n equal to 5, substitute. You will get the upper terms. The first term when you substitute, n equal to 5 we got. What was the first term? First term. When we got n equal to 5, we have to substitute in t2. Second term. Second term what we have written? For 240 we have written the term n x raised to n minus 1a. N x raised to n minus 1a is equal to 240. We have written like this. Now we got the value n equal to 5. N equal to 5. Substitute. So we get 5 x raised to 4a is equal to 240. Or divide by 5. Or ax raised to 4 is 240 by 5. 240 by 5, 48. In the second, when we substitute, what is T3? When we go to T3, it goes like this: n into n minus 1 by 2, x raised to n minus 2a squared. In that also you substitute n equal to 5. So what we will get? 5 into 4 by 2, x raised to 3a squared equal to 720. This is 5 into 4. 20. 20 by 2, 10. So what we got? We got x cube a squared equal to 72. Here also when we substitute n equal to 5, we will get 5 into 4 into 5 into 4 into 3 by 1 into 2 into 3. So we will go 10. This is again 10. 10. So this 8. X raised to 5 minus 3 is 2. X squared a cube equal to 108. When we divide T2 and T3, we will get x by a equal to 48 by 72. Or it is 2 by 2. That is 2a equal to 3x. 2a equal to 3x. Substitute it in a x raised to 4. As a is equal to 3x by 2. So when we substitute, what we will get? A 3x by 2 3x by 2 into x raised to 4 equal to 48. So x raised to 5 equal to 48 into 2 by 3. 16 into 32. 32 is 2 raised to 5. So x raised to 5 is 2 raised to 5. So what is x? X equal to when we get x equal to 2, we will get a. A is equal to 3x by 2. 3x by 2. So 3 into 2 by 2. So a is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. So we got the answer x equal to 2, a is equal to 3 and n equal to 5. These are the answers.